We're going to work through a couple of examples of solving a system of linear equations using the substitution method, so stay tuned. I'm Allison from Bytes, and we're working through an example of solving a system of linear equations using the substitution method. So here we go. We're going to solve the system 6x plus 7y equals -4 and 2x plus 5y equals 4. Now we're using the substitution method, so I'm going to solve one of these equations for y and then substitute that into my other equation. If you have any issues with the algebra I'm doing here, be sure to watch the Bytes series on solving basic algebraic equations. It covers all of this. Okay, so I'm going to take my second equation there and solve it for y. So my second equation is 2x plus 5y equals 4. So solving for y, I get 5y equals -2x plus 4. Y equals -2/5 x plus 4/5. Now I'm going to take that expression for y and substitute it into my first equation. So my first equation is 6x plus 7y equals -4. And substituting for y, I get 6x plus 7 times the quantity, -2/5 x plus 4/5 is equal to -4. Okay, and distributing through there, I'm getting 6x minus 14 over 5x plus 28 over 5 equals -4. Now I'm just going to multiply both sides of this equation by 5 to get rid of those 5's in the denominator, okay? So multiplying both sides of my equation by 5, I get 30x minus 14x plus 28 is equal to -20. That gives me 16x plus 28 equals -20, and that gives me 16x minus 28 minus 20, 16x equals -48. And solving for x, I get that x is equal to -3. Okay, now I have a value for x. So I can go back to my expression for y and plug that in and solve for y. So we found that y is equal to -2/5 x plus 4/5. And I'm going to plug in -3 for x. So I get -2/5 times -3 plus 4/5. That's equal to 6 over 5 plus 4 over 5, that's 10 over 5, which is equal to 2. So the solution to this system of equations is the ordered pair, -3, 2. Let's do another example. Let's solve the system 3x minus 4y equals 8 and 6x minus 8y equals 9. Same thing, I'm going to solve one of these equations for y and then substitute that in. I'm going to solve my first equation for y. So I have 3x minus 4y equals 8. Solving for y, I get 4y equals 3x minus 8. Y is equal to 3/4 x minus 8 over 4, or 3/4 x minus 2. Now I'm going to take that expression for y and put it into my other equation. So my second equation is 6x minus 8y equals 9. Substituting in, I get 6x minus 8 times the quantity, 3/4 x minus 2 equals 9. And distributing through, I get 6x minus 24 over 4x plus 16 equals 9. That gives me 6x minus 6x plus 16 equals 9. 6x minus 6x is just 0. So that gives me the statement 16 equals 9. That is absolutely not true. That is a false statement. So what does that mean? That means that this system of equations has no solution. These are parallel lines. To learn more about this topic, watch our videos on the Bytes with Allison YouTube channel.